Hello, boys, and welcome back to.
What up?
No. This is my friend here. Anyway, we're back with another video. What are you doing, kitty? Back with another video, and today, oops, I blocked my camera with my finger. Today we're gonna. You see my kitty? Right there. We're going to be seeing if she's attracted to a red dot. Now, actually, it's kind of dark on the camera, so we're going to turn it. That's a fan. Turn on the lights here. And shine it.
Let's see this.
Dot's right there. Kitty's right there. So, go towards it. Go towards it.
Pouncing position.
We're trying to make a
5,
pounce out of it.
4, 3, 2, 1. Shakes off like a real tiger. About to pounce on a prey.
Oh, nice pounce.
Nice.
Right. Let's not make this video too long. Let's make like at least 4 minutes because
It takes a long time to upload.
alright. Just talking about how long the video would be with my friend.
Oh, look
Right.
at that chase. Watch this chase. Okay. Chase.
We like just got back from school.
Yeah, that's why I'm in my school clothes. So you can see it. Look at these.
That's
rocking
it. That okay.
school. Wait,
Okay.
wait at that.
That's enough
button.
now.
Chase. Is the red dot. I know she looks like Tom. Well, she doesn't, but
Oh, Tom. She's pouncing at the
she's
mouse.
pouncing like Tom.
We're talking about Tom Jerry.
Yeah.
Kitty,
Wait
kitty,
on
kitty,
the
kitty.
Donut, wait on the donut.
Do
Wait, wait on the donut. You can eat a donut.
Can
Wait on
you
the donut?
eat the donut,
Okay.
mister? Can you
Sit
eat
with
the
that.
donut?
Looks looking at the red dot. Following it.
There it is. Alright, we're doing ultimate zoom in. Shh. I'm zooming in on the red dot, not her. Just kidding.
Oh. Okay. There is.
A coolest part. Yeah, it was probably when we pounced. And also, wondering why I look so girly? Yeah, I'm doing this in my sister's room.
Watch this.
Don't tell her. Don't tell her.
Okay, yeah. There's this dog. They've seen the dog. They've seen my dog before. Okay. Following the dot.
Zooming in. There you go. Ooh.
Don't get me. Okay.
Let's see what's around here. Oh, it's right by my feet.
What?
Okay.
There's a
Why
dot.
is it on
Ounce.
a bottle of...
Okay. Oh. Here. No.
It's right under...
Okay. There it is. Go for the red dot. Dun. Pouncing position.
Wait, I need to turn on the lights for this?
Pounce. Okay.
Not the best pounce.
Yeah. Okay. Turn off the lights.
We need one more good pounce to end this video off.
Alright. And then turn them back on when she pounces.
Oh,
Okay. Pouncing position.
Okay. Good pouncing position. Go. Get him. There's the dot. There's the dot.
2.
There's the kitty. Why are you backing up?
Pounce. No.
Fail
Not
pounce.
you pounce.
Pounce, please. Oh, okay. You're standing on a box now. Oh, okay. You're standing on the box. fan again. Where's this kitty? There you go, kitty. Pet dog.
Okay. Don't turn it on. She's gonna bounce.
Yay! Alright. That'll end the video for today.
Hey guys, what up?
Your face is zoomed in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Zoomed in.
Hi guys,
Zoomed in.
what up?
Oh yeah.
Hi,
Oh
my name's
yeah.
Andrew.
Oh yeah.
What up?
Excellent.
Yeah.
So that's the end of the video for today. I just flipped the camera, so don't worry, I wasn't taking a selfie for the whole thing.
Right, yep.
That's the end of for today.
Yeah. Okay,
Good. Say good to Kitty. Bye, Kitty. Good. Good panting.